Here are the solutions for class 7 chapter 1 English reader, the largest animal. Question 1. What do you think about the food of whales? Answer. A single meal of a whale consists of 2 to 3 tons of food. All whales do not eat so much fish. The blue whales live wholly on plankton. A stretch of plankton, is spread over miles and miles of seawater. Now come to the second question. What is spermaceti? What are its uses? Answer is, inside the huge skull of a sperm whale there are large spaces filled with clear oil called spermaceti. It is used in making candles and cosmetics. Question third. Why cannot whales breathe underwater? Answer is, whales are mammals and breathe through lungs. If water gets into their lungs, they would drown just like us. When whales want to breathe, they came up to the surface of water, draw in a breath of air and go down again. Question 4. How do whales breathe? Answer. When whales want to breathe, they come to the surface of water, draw in a breath of air and go down again. Question 5. Why were whales hunted? Whales are hunted because men can get various products out of their bodies. One large whale's blubber yields about 30 tons of whale oil, which is used in making soaps, margarine and other things. Question 6. Where is ambergris obtained from? Ambergris is obtained from whale's stomach. It is used in manufacturing expensive perfume. Now come to the formative assessment and the solution for oral questions. First answer is whale, and second answer is elephant, and for third answer is motorboats with harpoons, and B part is MCQs, multiple choice questions. Answer is giving, and then in summative assessment fill in the blanks are given here. True false also given here, and then match the following.